Hi cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw So Cute Girl. So let's get started. To draw this cute girl, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. So with my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now the eyes in, I'm going to come to the sides right here and just spruce them up with some lashes. So maybe just two, and then same thing over here. The top one's a little bit longer and then a shorter one. And then let's come above each eye, say about right here, and I'm just going to draw a soft curve for the brow and thicken it up. So same thing over here. There. And then of course we need to draw a sweet smile, so in between the eyes about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve and then slightly go up and cap it off. There. Then from there, let's go ahead and draw the bottom of a U for the face. So I'm going to come to the top of my eye next to these lashes. I'll just give myself a point. Same thing here. And we're just going to go around the eyes to draw this bottom of a U. So let's say about right here. I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to find my center and say about right there. Kind of how low I want it approximately. It just helps me see a little bit better where I'm going. And I'm just going to draw this curve and connect. There. So I just want a nice round curve. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to just bring this up slightly closer to the brow area, and then let's come about right here where the eyes are, and we're going to draw some ears. So just draw a big curve coming in, and for some details, two curves inside, and same thing here. And now that we have that, we're going to draw her bangs. So I'm going to find my center and just imagining this oval for her face. So let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. From there, I'm going to draw her bangs. I'm going to come down both sides with a curve. And then I'm going to go up and down. So right about here, just curve out, come back down. And so same thing here. And maybe this one goes that way. And then we're just going to go ahead and finish it off. So let's come about right here. We're just going to draw a curve. And a curve to finish it. And then let's come back in this area right here above the ears. And we're going to draw two angle lines. And let's go back to our center. So about this high. And we're just going to draw a curve going out, and then we're going to connect everything here at the top. So let's bring this down, slight angle right about here, and then poof it and bring it in. So same thing here, slight angle about right here, and then bring it in, just so that it's not just this one big dome, a big curve. Just gives the head a little better shape. Okay, so now that we have that, we can draw in some more details with the buns right here at the top right here. So I'm going to come about right here and just gonna wobble my way across like for this scrunchie, and then we're going to add the buns. So we come right about here and then wobble 3 of these curves and bring it in just to simplify it. And then of course we're just going to draw these lines here. I'll just leave it like that. I don't want to complicate it too much. And same thing over here. So right here, just gonna wobble and connect, and then once again I'm gonna draw these 3 wobbles and bring it in. And once again, just gonna draw a curve coming through. Okay, so there, just to give her hair some texture. And then from there, that'd be really cute. Just gonna lightly just draw in some of these stray hairs. And same thing here. And around her ear perhaps, so let's say about right here. Maybe a strand coming out there, so something like that. There, just to make it a little bit messy and extra cute. There, so hopefully you like how that looks. And so now that we're done with the face, let's go ahead and draw the body. So I'm going to come right about here in the center and give her this little neck, and we're going to come down. And so we're going to have her shoulders kind of go up a little bit because we're having her hands together. And so let's go here, and we're going to go up slightly and then down. Slightly go up and then down for her shoulders. Then we're going to come into this area, so let's say about right, bring this down. We're going to work on the sleeve, so let's say about right here. And I'm just going to kind of curve out this bell-shaped sleeve. Maybe another layer for some cute detail. And so same thing here. Curve it out, and about right here where the armpits would be, connect it, and maybe another layer. There, just thought it needed some detail. And then, oh, almost forgot a neckline, of course, right about here. And then her hands. So we're having her hands together. So just imagine this is her shoulder. Her arms are going to come out right about here. So let's work on this hand first. I'm going to aim it towards the center. So let's say about right here. So it's nice and straight, and then we're just going to come in here. Now that we're in the center area, we're going to come right about here and just add a thumb and her fingers. So I'm just going to widen this out and then come in here with 2 little lines. Then on the other side, same thing. And this side will come down here, just going to come out slightly, and then we're just going to tuck this hand in, so and in, just so that we don't need to draw too many details. There. Okay, so her hands are together, and then we can come back and let's just give her a cute little dress. So I'm going to come back to about right here and here, and in between her hands I'm going to come right about here, so it's going to be like a high-waisted dress here, and then I'm going to give a little bow right in the center. So it's both fun and a hard thing to do when you have to come up with these girls because I have to figure out what she needs to wear, right? So it's always fun but very difficult to figure that out. So hopefully you like this dress I'm giving her. And I'm gonna flare this out. And same thing here. Okay, and then I'm going to, now that we're about the same level, I'm going to stop because we need to draw something very important, which is a bag that she's holding. So right in between her hands, just come up a little bit right here, and we're going to draw this curve coming down. And then I'm going to thicken up the straps so it's in her hand. And then I'm going to connect it with a curve. Go around it, and then just a little bag. Nothing complicated. And we're just going to bring it down. And connect it with a curve. And I'll add a little pocket right here. So we know it's a bag. And like a little pouch. And of course, we're going to add a heart right here. Perfect spot for it, right? And then we can go ahead and finish her skirt. So however low you bring this will determine, I'm just going to go ahead and just curve, will determine where you put this part right here. It's going to be either much lower or higher. So I'm just going to wobble my way across for her skirt. And then you can come in here underneath, just draw a bunch of curves to make it extra pretty. And then her legs. So find your center, and then about right here, go to the left a little bit, go to the right a little bit. And I'm going to draw her legs. I'm going to work on this side. I'm just going to give it a slight bend as I come down. And same thing here. Just notice the slight curve in. Her legs are going to her feet are going to be inward a little bit. So about right there, I'm just going to go ahead, come about here. Bring it down to the ankle. And then here, without passing my center, I'm going to curve in. So same thing here. And then bring this straighter down and connect for the shoe. So same thing here. Bring it down for a small ankle, then come out and connect there. And then for some details, the sole of her shoe, a curve. Let's see, I'm going to break it up about right here. And you can give her a pair of socks if you like. And same thing here. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we can, let's see here. Do a little extra curve right here, just to match that. And then of course when you're coloring her dress, you can put in all kinds of different patterns, perhaps little flowers, but I don't want to muddle up my Sharpie. And then what's most important today is I want to put something in her little bag. So I love cats, so I'm going to put a cat in mine. And I can't wait to see your fan art, to see what you put. But here I'm going to put in two little paws. And then come up right here, around it, right under her hand, two little ears. There, just very simplified cat. And then two little eyes and a little nose. And whiskers, of course. Then Whatever space you have left, you can just put in a curve right here for the back of the bag. And you can add some details on the bag if you like. Maybe some polka dots, perhaps. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this cute girl holding a little bag with a cat inside. I really hope this drawing brought a smile to your day and inspired you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.